American way. Swing through and then the boys you train. Boy, run right, you bend the line. Square through three hands. Look, find your corner, swing. Swing the girl and promenade. You make my knees kneel down and say, please, honey, won't you kiss me again? The head's promenade, you travel halfway around. Walking and square through, go four hands round. Go all the way and then right and left through. Pass through, trade by. Touch your quarter, scoot back and go. Swing that quarter, brother.